Good morning, children. Let us begin with today's thought. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. It means if we keep chasing our dream despite all the challenges and failure and keep trying, success is for sure. So, children, keep trying until you succeed. Let us continue with lesson 4, water safe for drinking. In the previous videos we have seen two experiments from which we find that some substances dissolve in water, some substances do not. Some things float on water, some sink and settle at the bottom. So children, we cannot drink such water as it is not safe for drinking. So let us see some methods of making muddy water clean and transparent.
Children, we will see some methods of making muddy water clean and transparent. Let us start with the first method, that is settling. Children, the process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. So, we have to keep this glass of muddy water still for 4 to 5 hours and then we will observe. Still means without disturbing it. Let us observe after 4 to 5 hours. Children, I have kept the glass still for 4 to 5 hours. And now, what do we observe? We see that the particles of soil sink in the water and form a layer or sediment at the bottom. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment to form. You can clearly see a layer of soil at the bottom. This is called sediment. Children, this tells us that particles of soil are heavier than water. But because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. Leaves and twigs are lighter than water. Now the water appears much cleaner and transparent than it was. Children, let us start with the second method, that is swirling an alum. This is the water which we have kept still for 4 to 5 hours to form a sediment. Now, without disturbing the sediment, pour the water into another glass. Children, this is alum. Now, take a piece of alum and swirl it in the water like this. Now, we will keep this water undisturbed for 2 or 3 hours and then we will observe. Children, I have kept the water undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours after swirling an alum. What do you see here? We see that the particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom and the water in the upper part becomes transparent. The twigs and some rubbish are still floating on the water. This tells us that swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Children, let's start with the third activity. Here I have taken a glass. Then fold a piece of fine cotton cloth into 4 layers. Make it moist and spread it over the strainer. Now pour the water in the glass. Children, you can see that the water is transparent and rubbish and soil particle remain on the cloth. This method is called filtration.